Welcome to Business Casual Tips VBA tutorials for beginners. In our third video, we are going to talk about worksheets, as you see from the title. Now we have our book one. I'm always using this one, and here, when you click Developer tab, you click Visual Basic, and then you have this screen. Let's write our worksheets codes in another module. It is module one that you see here. Insert new module, module 2, and here we are going to name our codes. Sub my third program. So creative name. And here there are some functions I want to discuss with you. First of all, your manager came to you and she wants you to add 10 more worksheets into the book one. How you can do? You can simply click here 10 times and then there would be 10 more worksheets, but there is also an easier way. What we want to do, adding worksheets. Worksheets dot add. We write like that. We click space. Count. We are going to write how many. This format is gonna be in front of you in every single example in the future, in advanced examples for beginners especially. Please memorize it. Count this dot and then equality sign. How many we need to add? 10. Click enter. Let's run the program. As you see, 10 worksheets came here. And our second example is going to be about naming worksheets. For example, sheet 13. Let's remove these codes because every single time it will add 10 more. We don't want this. Worksheets. Let's talk about sheet 13. Let's change its name. Sheet 13 dot name equal, like you can do whatever you want, but please write it between those two signs. What we can do, like interview. Okay, the name will be interview, and please be careful with the format. Again, we start with worksheets dot name equal. When we click, as you see, interview. Again, we can remove it. I'm going to show you one more function. It is about making the worksheet visible or invisible. And here, for example, about interview we are talking about now. Worksheets interview dot what I said, we are going to make it invisible. Okay, visible equal false. When we do like that, computer directly get the message. Worksheets, the worksheet that named interview will be invisible because it is false. Okay, let's click it. It is invisible now. And how we can make it visible? It's so easy. True. When we click, as you see, it came back. But the thing is, all the time we take interviews and they're really making us tired. So let's remove interviews from our lives. How we can do it? Again, I'm removing this. We are going to remove this worksheet. Okay, worksheets interview dot what we are going to do, delete. It's that simple. But now we are going to have a notification. Like let's see, like you can't undo this um, like this deleting operation. So like VBA want us to be sure, okay? And we can click delete here. In the future, I'm going to show you more examples, more advanced examples. This is just starting. And we are going to get rid of that notification window, warning window, I can call it. and then we are going to make it faster. This process is going to be faster. If you have any kind of question, please ask it on comment part. I'm going to try to answer as much as I can. Hope to see you in our next class.